Hey, thanks for joining me on another Coffee with Waymark. If you enjoyed the brownies that we sent out for Thanksgiving, you're going to love meeting the person behind them. I'm here with Melissa Reuter. She's the founder and owner of Yummy Mummy Bakery in Westborough, Massachusetts. She's also a client, and we wanted to give you a quick behind the scenes look at the small business that helped to make your holidays a little bit sweeter. So let's just jump right in. So, Melissa, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, to start, tell us a little bit about yourself and the bakery.
So I'm from Massachusetts. I currently live in Southborough, but the bakery is in Westborough, Massachusetts. I have 21-year-old triplets who are in their final year of college. So we've been,
Congratulations, by the way.
thank you very much. Still need to sell some more brownies to pay for that tuition. But I come from a family of caterers and bakers, and so started the a brownie company and then the bakery sort of just on a base on a love of food, and it's really taken off, and sort of taking every day at a time and seeing where the company goes and how it's growing. It's been a lot of fun.
Gotcha. So I love your backstory. What inspired you to get into baking and actually open up your own bakery?
So my grandmother was an at-home baker and had an amazing brownie recipe. And everywhere I went, I would bring the brownies, and people were encouraging me to sell them. So I started at local farmers markets and I baked out of my home for over 8 years. I started when my kids were two. So it got to a point where there was no food in the refrigerator except for butter and eggs. And I sort of knew I needed to make a decision if I did want to grow my company to move it out of my home. And that's when I decided to open the bakery and to hire talented staff who went to culinary school, who they know how to decorate cakes and cake pops and cupcakes and make really fabulous things.
Yeah. Running a bakery is no small task. I know that you wake up early. I go to the gym and I see you coming in, bright and early before the sun rises. So what's some of the most challenging parts of running a bakery and what are some of the most rewarding?
We'll start with the rewarding.
Okay.
That's having fresh baked, treats every day. Even though I also go to the gym, I do love my sugar. But I have to say, my favorite day here is Saturday, when most of the production is done for the week, and the kids and the people come in to pick out their birthday cakes and other treats from the case. And it's joy, right? We're bringing people happiness. I've been in business long enough that we've done everything from gender reveal cakes to baby showers, to then, the kid's fifth, sixth, seventh birthday party, and watching, my customers grow and age.
All right,
Has
Melissa,
actually been,
you gotta tell the audience about the
yeah.
most recent one where you got a call from a TV show that wanted to do a cake.
Oh, the beef cake.
Whatever it was,
Yeah,
I think you told me that you had to turn it around in like 6 to 12
same day.
hours.
Yes, we got a call from, now you're putting me on the spot, Dude
Sorry.
Perfect. It's called Dude Perfect, and they are an online group of guys that do crazy feats. And we got called from the DCU Center in Worcester, and they wanted us to make a cake within 6 hours. And I said, okay, well, send me a picture of what you're looking for. And when I opened up my text, I was shocked. It was literally a slab of beef. And I said, this isn't actually cake, right? But my staff did it remarkably, and it was part of their show, which was super cool. And I learned that they have over 12 million followers. So I was very happy that I got a little bit of publicity from them.
And that was like, what, 2 months ago? That was recent, right?
Yeah, it was recent.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
very
pretty
cool.
cool.
Very good opportunity.
All right, cool. And for those who might want to try something other than your brownies, talk a little bit
Mhm.
about how they would do that and what are some of the things that you offer.
Yep. So you can come to our retail location, and we have a lot of pastries from muffins, cupcakes, custom cake pops. We specialize in whatever holiday it is. We have a lot of fun decorating things. So we have, can reach behind me, some Grinch inspired Rice Krispie treats. We do a lot of cake pops as well. So if you come on in, you'll see we have a case full of cupcakes. We have cakes in our case, and we're trying to do a little bit of savory items as well. So we have scones and little tartlets. We make popovers, which are fantastic every Saturday only. They are worth the drive over here. We also do mail order, as your clients know, and a lot of corporate gift giving, platters for catering, a little bit of everything.
Good. Awesome. Well, again, Melissa, thank you for carving out a little bit of time. I know that this is your busy season in the holidays. So thank you so much for partnering us, sharing your story. We hope our clients get to share the work. And to everyone who's watching, thanks for joining us. And remember to be well and do good.
Bye. Thank you.